Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about health and well-being, physical, mental, and emotional. This is increasingly important vocabulary in everyday English conversation. Well-being is a broader concept than simply not being ill. It includes how you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. Good well-being means feeling energetic, positive, connected, and purposeful. Poor well-being, even without a specific illness, can affect every area of your life. One of the most discussed well-being topics today is burnout. Burnout is a state of complete exhaustion, mental, physical, and emotional, caused by prolonged stress, usually from work. Signs of burnout include constant fatigue, loss of motivation, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. You might say, "I think I've been heading towards burnout. I need to take a proper break." Mental health is now widely discussed in English-speaking cultures. Anxiety, persistent worry and nervousness, and depression, persistent low mood and loss of interest, are the most commonly talked about. Therapy, speaking to a trained professional about your thoughts and feelings, is increasingly normalized. You might say, "I've been seeing a therapist and it's really helped me understand my patterns." Mindfulness means paying deliberate attention to the present moment without judgment. It's often practiced through meditation, sitting quietly and focusing on your breath or surroundings. You might say, "I started a daily meditation practice and I'm much calmer for it." Setting boundaries means being clear about what you will and won't do, protecting your time, energy, and emotional space. This is a key concept in workplace well-being. You might say, "I've started turning off my phone after 9 in the evening. It's made a big difference." Today, we covered well-being, burnout, mental health, mindfulness, and boundaries. Looking after yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. See you next time.